Did you know the world's first piece of political propaganda was created 5,000 years ago? And it used the exact same tricks dictators use today. In 3100 BCE, King Narmer of Egypt had a problem. He wanted everyone to believe he single-handedly conquered and united all of Egypt. So he commissioned artists to carve his story into a ceremonial stone palette. But here's the shocking part. Narmer didn't actually unite Egypt in one brutal conquest like his propaganda claimed. Archaeological evidence shows unification took decades and was far more complex. The Narmer palette shows every propaganda trick in the book. Narmer towers over his enemies like a giant. Divine symbols float around him, proving the gods chose him to rule, and graphic scenes show him crushing rebels under his feet. When archaeologists found this palette in 1898, they called it the birth certificate of a pharaonic Egypt, because it proved something chilling. Even 5,000 years ago, the first rulers knew that controlling the story was just as important as controlling the army.